Asia. Ah, no more. Mumu, Kuja, I'll show you. Look. Look, look. Apa?
Yes. Yes.
Look.
Yeah.
Yeah? Very effective, eh? Look. The grass dried up immediately. Ay. Oh, very effective. Look.
Yes.
Oh.
Hii ni nzuri.
Hii mzuri sana, ya?
Hii ni mzuri sana.
Yeah, natural herbicide.
Natural.
Yeah. So, hakuna dawa this time.
Sawa.
Yeah. Look. Dry immediately.
Naona
Maishi. Yeah.
Asante kwa hii dawa. So tutumie hii.
Very good. Maybe let us see Kesho Kutwa.
Yeah.
Maybe the weeds have died already. Let us see.
Sawa.
Ma, natuyo kagad yung mga damo? Oh, ang bilis. Di bale, tingnan after 2 days. Siguro, Huwebes. Kung hindi tayo matuloy, punta tayo dito, tingnan natin. Dala pa tayo kung effective talaga, magdala pa tayo. I bought, these are the ingredients actually. I'll show you the ingredients of what we use. $15 liters of water, and then we use baking soda or baking powder. We put about 3 tablespoons, and then we put 1 kg of salt, and then we put, this one is 1 liter, 700 ml. We put two bottles, and then we also put 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid detergent. That's the formulation. Sawa-sawa. Oh, very powerful. Sawa-sawa mumu. So let us see. 2 days, 3 days from now, that's our own formulation of fungicide. Not fungicide, herbicide. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like what we are doing. So as a farmer, we always experiment. You know, we have to be technologists, we have to be scientists. Right. Mungu awabariki. Kwaheri. Blessings always.